channel. My name is Erica. If you're new, thanks for joining me today. If you are a return viewer, thanks so much for coming back. Today we are going to be unboxing the Precuts Classic Quilt Box. If you're unfamiliar with these boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. This is their classic box, like I mentioned. They also have a table runner box and an all fabric box, which is literally stuffed full of fabric. I will put information in the description box below where you can get this box if you are interested. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this month's box. So the first thing that comes in our boxes are these information pamphlets. They tell you all about everything that comes in your box as well as their retail values, so you know what kind of a value you're getting. And then this box also has a coupon. It's 20% off all yardage, including wide backing, which is great. And they also have a free shipping coupon in here as well. And then a little bit of information about the October box. This one was curated by Alexia Abeg, and it has a little bio information for her on the back there. And then as always, if you share your boxes on social media using the hashtag Precuts Quilt Shop or Precuts Quilt Box, you are entered to win the next box free. So don't forget to use your hashtag if you are going to be sharing one of your boxes. All right, let's take a look at the products. So the first thing in our box is this double hourglass pattern, and this is just one of those kind of postcardy type size patterns, so there's not a ton of assembly information on the back, so it is helpful if you kind of know what you're doing on these a little bit. And then this particular one does have bias seams. It doesn't look super difficult, and I think as long as you pin and maybe even use a little bit of starch spray, you'll probably be okay. I'd like to say it's beginner friendly, but I would probably go maybe a little bit more intermediate friendly just because of the bias seams. And this pattern is retailing for $2. All right, the next thing we have here is a silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread. This is by Metler, and this is in Parfait Pink. It is retailing for $3.65, and it's a super pretty light kind of pinky blushy color. And it'll fit on my thread well perfectly. The next thing we have is a Bella Solid Junior Jelly Roll by Moda. And this is actually going to be used to make the quilt pattern I just showed you. This retails for $20, and this looks like it's in the, does it say what color it is? It's 9900 JJR 39, so whatever that color is. But it's kind of a beigey, sort of light tan color. And then the next thing in our box is this Alma Junior Jelly Roll by Alexia Abeg, and this contains 20, this says 2.5 by 55 inch strips, but I'm wondering if it's a typo and it should be 42 inch strips. Pretty much every fabric roll I've seen is just 2.5 inch by width of fabric, so I'm assuming it's a typo, but I can't say for sure. And here's what all the colors kind of look like. And this is retailing for $22.99. And this one, paired with this one, is all of the fabric that you need for the front of your quilt pattern here. So you're going to be mixing the solids with the prints, as you can see, for all those little double hourglasses. And then to complete this pattern, all you really need is the binding and your backing and batting, and you're good to go. All right, the last thing in our box is this sewing caddy panel, and this is by Stacy Sue, I can never say her name, sorry. And this is the Cut and Sew Create program. And it says it's to create the next generation of makers and give you self-confidence, create memories, and inspire creativity. This panel retails for $24.99 each. And this is what the panel looks like. And then you simply cut out all of the pieces. There's instructions in here on how to assemble them all so that you can make all three of these items. You've got the tote bag, this little kind of fold up caddy, and then this little pin cushion. So super cute. And I don't know if you've seen on my Instagram before, we've bought a couple of her panels before. My girls made the dolls. They come in, like she did like the little red doll, and I think there's a mermaid one, and the dolls are printed on the panel. You cut them out just like these, sew them together, stuff them, and it came with all kinds of cute little additions to go with it. So I have used these panels before. They're lots of fun. They're definitely beginner friendly, and they're even great for kids in my opinion. So I think this is super cute. And I'm assuming the thread is to go with this one because it matches perfectly. Doesn't quite match the jelly rolls as much, so I think that these two are probably meant to go together. I can't remember if I said, but this retails for $24.99, so it's a great value. And I think as far as the contents of this box goes, that is the last thing. But with all of this fabric that you're getting in this box, this is probably the most fabric-y type of stuff I've gotten in a box. Usually there's, you know, a little pile of fabric and then plus a bunch of notions. And so this box is actually pretty full of fabric this month, which I always like to see. Fabric is the best part, we all know that. So I think I'm pretty happy with the contents. Since we're nearing the holidays, I thought it would be fun to do a giveaway for you guys. Click on the link below to get to my Instagram account. Click on this picture right here so that you can enter to win the giveaway. I will be giving away the pattern plus the 2 jelly rolls to make this pattern to one of you guys. So the instructions will all be on the Instagram post as far as when to enter and how long it goes and all that, but you do need to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel and a follower of my Instagram, and then I'll probably just have you leave a little bit of a comment or something like that. So make sure you head over there for all of that information. Again, there will be a link in the description box below, right below this video, to get over to my Instagram to enter to win the giveaway. So that is it for this box, you guys. I think all in all, I'm pretty happy with the contents. I always like seeing a lot of fabric like that. She almost always puts a thread in there, so that's nice. I'm kind of building my thread wall back here, and I always just use those fun colors for a variety of projects, so they're always fun to get in my boxes. Like I mentioned, if you're interested in this box, I will also put that information in the description box below. Again, they are from precutsquiltshop.com, and they have a couple different boxes for you to choose from, so head over to their website if you want more information on any of the products I mentioned or the boxes. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time.